Guys, welcome back to our channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be revealing top 5 ways in which you can make money from the financial market forex as a beginner. Alright, so if you're an intermediate trader or an advanced trader, don't feel like this video is not for you. Don't feel like that because there are things I'm going to be mentioning that you might feel like you don't even know these things, and this thing has actually been affecting the way you make profit from the market. Alright guys, so we're going to dive right into the video. So before we dive right into the video, what I want you to do is to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you don't miss any profitable content from us. Alright guys, so we'll be right back. So we're actually back again. I believe you actually smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification. So we dive right into the video. So firstly, like I said, try not to double your account in a month or in a week. Don't worry, you will buy that Lamborghini. You can't actually use 1 week to buy Lamborghini or buy the house. All right, so no, you don't do that as a beginner. You don't do that. You need to give forex time. Allow the right knowledge to be assimilated properly. All right, so it's actually possible to flip your account in 1 month or do anything you want to do with your capital, right? But you must have gone through a structural way of learning how to trade the financial market, right? So don't disturb yourself so much and you start calculating that in 2 months I will flip this $10,000 account to $30,000. Boss, calm down now, no be so. Okay, so number 2 is what? Try not to get a PDF, all right, and study. Now, it's not actually okay. A lot of people actually get PDF and study. Today you read SMC, tomorrow you read what? Support and resistance. Then tomorrow you read candlestick. Come on, you're stressing your brain. You need a structural learning. Why is there a structure in educational system? Why do you have from crèche to kindergarten to what? Nursery, then primary, and the rest? Why is there a structure? I tell my students that imagine that you're in primary 1 and they brought quadratic equation to you. Do you understand? No matter how the teacher explains it for you, you wouldn't understand. If you're in primary 5 and they bring in calculus for you, there's no way you understand. Okay, that's what you're doing to your brain. You pick random PDFs and you study, you're disturbing your brain. Come on, this is Forex, guys. Forex, the number 1 market in the world. It's not something you can read your way out. Come on, you don't do that now. So a lot of people make these errors and feel like, okay, I'm ready. They fund their account and trade. Then market give them woto. You need to calm down. All right, so the third one is you need a mentor, right? A mentor is one who's going to help you scale up the right way, give you the right knowledge, structure your learning the right way, so you don't get to disturb your brain too much, right? So with a mentor, you don't need years, you just need a couple of months. That is a right mentor. Remember I said a right mentor. So you don't need a couple of years, just a few months, and you're good at trading and making profitable withdrawals. Those people you hear that it took them 10 years, 7 years to be profitable. If you hear their story, they didn't have a mentor at that point in time. They were studying roughly. Actually made that same mistake, right, which was not favorable until I got a mentor who actually started afresh with me, which I was not happy about. Like, I felt like I know this, don't start again. No, don't be scared to start again. Relax and start again. All right, it's going to help you. So I went through that structure and look at where I am today. In a couple of months, I became a successful trader. But I told my students that within a year I became a forex millionaire. They were shocked. Woo! Yeah, it is what it is. Just listen. It's a mentor that will make your journey easier because he or she has an experience in the forex market. He has gone before you. He has experienced the crazy losses. He has experienced the crazy gains. Right? So if we tell you do this and don't do that, do this. So it makes your journey short. Aside forex, even every other business, every other thing you want to engage in, you shall need a mentor. You understand what I'm saying? All right. So we dive right into the fourth one, which is take your demo account like your real account. So traders that just started out, they get to open a demo account of $100,000 and they are trading and making profit. Have you asked yourself this question? Why is that I make profit from demo and I don't make profit from the real account? it is you that is the problem. There are a lot of errors that you're actually making, and one of them is this: you started out with what? You started out with a demo, 100k demo, that in which in real lifetime you can't actually fund that amount. You're doing something to yourself. I told my students who are actually successful across 7 countries, I told them that, see, you want to be successful, start out with what? A reasonable demo account, like $100 or $200, or something you believe that once you're done with, you can fund that range of amount. So if it's a $1,000 capacity that you have, you trade with a $1,000, you take that demo like your real account. I tell them that once you actually trade the account 3 times and you actually make profit out of it, then you are ready to trade the real account. And once you do this, you will see that you still make profit on it. All right. So the 5th one is what? Risk management. A lot of traders lack risk management. That's why brokers research said we have 90% losers in the forex market and 10% successful traders in the market. Why? There's a whole lot of things that people do, in which I'm outlining for you right now, in which risk management is one of the biggest and greatest parts of what forex trading. Traders don't apply proper risk management. So traders don't even use stop loss inside it, because this is also risk management. Okay, so you see people that get into the market, with this high expectation that, okay, this GPP card is going to what? Buy. Okay, and the market goes against them and they start to panic. That thing you do, when you don't apply proper risk management, what it does to you is what? It actually ruins your psychology. It makes you to be filled with fear. And once your psychology is ruined, what happens to you? You will never be profitable. Psychology plays 70% role in the financial market, right? And the 30% has to do with the lectures and studies of forex, right? So imagine when your psychology is not up to 70% or 50 at least, then added with the lecture, you did not pass, right? You can know the entire 30% over 100. Is it a pass mark? No, it is not. That's F9. And it will tell on your trading account, because what happened? You will lose, you will see it. All right, so ensure you always apply proper risk management. How do you do that? You need to be able to identify what you are risking in the market before you get into the market. Okay, so this will save you of the stress of being scared. Once you are aware of what you're risking in the market, you'll be totally fine. You are okay with it. You'll be totally fine once you are aware. All right, so once your trade has not hit your stop loss, you've not lost that trade. I tell my mentees about this. Don't panic. Is it the market? I'm sure you find yourself in a position whereby market comes close to your stop loss and you are panicking. You quickly exit. Then before you know it, the market went up to your direction. Come on. You see, because of you did not apply proper risk management. All right, guys. So these are the 5 top ways in which you can actually make profit from the financial market. Okay, so you can go to our website www.fxmediatrade.com. We have about 20 courses on the website for beginners, so you can go through them to get you prepared. It's actually free of charge. All right, so when you're with FX Media, you gain a lot of free stuff. Okay, so go there, you can take the courses. It is comprehensive. I took my time to actually prepare that class. About 20 courses free. So like I said, www.fxmediatrade.com. Visit there and start your FX journey. So once you're done, you can always send us a message and for more lectures. Okay, so like I said, these are the 5 top ways in which you can actually make profit from the financial market. All right, guys. So remember to subscribe and turn on your notification so that we'll be able to drop more profitable content for you guys. All right, so stay glued to this channel. I hope these tips helped you. All right.